Howdy folks. So we're here at the Wild Tracks Eco Lodge in the Bardiya National Park with our good mate Johnny, who rescued us from the side of the road the other night, if you've seen the last video. Yeah, we didn't really plan to come here, just sort of happened dumb luck by accident, but now that we're here we thought it would be you know, it'd be a real pity if we didn't take advantage of what's here. So today we're going on an all-day Jeep safari into the national park. Now, talking to Johnny last night, he said, like, this morning we'll be going into the park, we'll be looking around, going to some of the spots he knows to try and spot some animals. Everything quietens down around lunchtime, so we'll just chill out, have a bit of lunch, and then this afternoon we'll go to a few more spots. And yeah, it sounds awesome. Last night we met a guy who had been attacked by a tiger. We hear stories of elephants coming into the villages, rhinoceroses, so yeah, really hoping today that we'll see a few animals. Give us a smile, Johnny. Sweet, so we've parked up the Jeep. Just gonna head down to the river and just sit down for a while. See if we can't see any animals coming down to grab a bit of a drink. Alright, so Johnny just led us down a little jungle path near the river to show us this. You can see these marks here. It's from a tiger scratching its claws on the tree, and look how, and that's me, that's the top mark, so it wasn't a small one. It's pretty damn cool. Just stopped off for a bit of lunch. I think we're heading down to a nice spot down near the river that Johnny knows about. Alright, so we're having lunch, and while we're there, we weren't the only ones. Ugh. Get off real fast. Little leeches. Uh-oh. He's off me now, but not quite sure where he went. So yeah, they had a good people. We were there as well. No luck in the tower, so we'll push on. Alright, so we just stopped at this river here, and Johnny said I can go for a swim. And it's pretty warm, so definitely not going to say no to that. Just watch out for the crocs. Alright, well that wasn't mentioned before, but I've watched enough Steve Irwin, I reckon I know what to do. that was awesome. I feel like a new man. On to the next spot. What are they doing, Johnny?
They're taking grass, but I'm not sure exactly what for.
Okay.
Dakya. Perbez? Dakya kira. English ma ke bansa?
Dakya la English में basket.
Basket.
Ah. Alright, so they're collecting grass to make baskets. Alright, so we've been told there might be some rhino down here, so we'll just go check it out. That's fresh rhino dung. It's huge. Wow, that was so amazing. I just saw my first real live rhino. He was just sitting in the river, chilling out, probably just cooling down a bit. He was a fair way off, so I couldn't really get him on the camera, but with Johnny's binoculars, got a good look at him. And wow, what a magnificent creature. Just absolutely amazing. I'm grinning from ear to ear, like, just, yeah, something else to behold. What an amazing day. Cool, so we've gone for a bit of a walk through the jungle, sort of up towards where we saw the rhino before. He sort of was up over behind some long grass over there, so I'm going to climb this tree, see if I can't see something. So that's where the rhino was before, but the grass is just too long, they were saying, because it's end of the monsoon season, everything's, you know, grown and flourished, so it is hard to see the animals at the moment. Yeah, but yeah, it's nice up here, nice view, nice climb. Alright, so we're back in the spot where we saw the rhino. We're going to wait here for a little while longer because 2 days ago 2 tigers came out here at around this time. Yeah, but we just saw a crocodile in the water. He's just sitting there, looks like a pretty big one. And I just saw a hawk come down and take a mongoose, like, I don't know, 40-50 meters from where we were sitting, so yeah, stage is getting better and better. No luck with the tigers back there, so we're gonna head off to another spot that Johnny knows and check that out. So there are rhino footprints. So obviously one has come this way, and they're not too distant past. Well, no luck with tigers here at the last spot, but we did see 3 or 4 little hog deer, which was really cool. This male one had these mad antlers. Saw a couple of kingfishers flying around, just sitting by the side of the river, a few other little birds, and yeah, just been really enjoying the peace and quiet. It's quite lovely, so I think we're going to start making our way back to the lodge now. But yeah, it's been a lovely afternoon. Johnny was telling me they keep them here till they're, you know, a specific size, then they release them into the park. And they do that because apparently the death rate for the small ones is quite high in the wild. So yeah, breed them here when they're old enough to sort of fend for themselves. Into the park they go. So they breed 2 types of crocodiles here. One has the long, thin snout like you just saw. And there's this type here. I would not want one of them to get hold of me. Alright, there's also a rhino here at the entry to the park. He's a big old male and he's blind, so that's why he's here, because he wouldn't survive out in the wild.
Don't go near.
Yeah.
Okay? He is very bad. He killed 1 man.
Alright, so you might have just heard that, but he's apparently killed 1 man, so I'm just gonna back off a little bit. But isn't that just amazing? Alright, so we're safely back at Wild Track Adventure Lodge, and what an amazing day. Surpassed my expectations, man. We saw a rhino, we saw a crocodile, deers, monkeys, we saw an eagle fight a mongoose, and then another mongoose come out and save his friend. Like, it was wild, man. Big thanks to Johnny from Wild Track Eco Lodge. Dude knows his stuff, man. Took us out in the jungle, took us to all these cool little places. Definitely wouldn't have seen what we saw without him, so yeah, awesome day. Second day in Nepal, and man, it's gonna be hard to beat this, but I'm gonna chill out a bit now, maybe grab another beer, and then we'll see what tomorrow has in store for us. Night, guys. Ciao.